धन्यवाद. श्री अनिल देसाई.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak on the workings of the Ministry of Railways. So all of us know that railways is the lifeline of not only India but all Indians. And in real sense, it is the only service which works relentlessly 24/7 and gives human service to the people of India. It runs from east to west, from north to south, and has seen many up-downs, but has been keeping its pace at a regular pace, which really serves the economy. So there used to be a separate railway budget till the time Sri Suresh Prabhu took over as a railway minister. And former railway ministers had a very specific agenda that whoever used to present the railway budget used to come out with declaring different projects, different lines, especially from the place or from the region they used to come. But in the later years, it was to be seen, or it was invariably seen, that no project work was taken over, no project was started, and the projects which were declared by the ministers used to remain on the paper. But the things changed in recent years, and I really congratulate the present Railway Minister Piyush Goyal ji, who's been taking a special pains for the people of India who really travel by train or to whom railway really matters in their life. Sir, railway is the biggest employer in the country and assumes the responsibility of addressing the issue of unemployment. But in recent times, especially in the state of Maharashtra, what we have seen, the recruitments which used to take place on a sizable number, that number has come down, may it be for Group C and D and above Class 1 also. And at the same time, contract labor practices have gone beyond proportions, which needs to be addressed because that doesn't give the security to the labor force and it has its deficiencies. Sir, as the state of Maharashtra is concerned, our Marathwada region, which is which has districts which are backward, railway network needs to be given more stress, and railway network needs to be improved. I think in the latest budget, what outlay has been made on that count, that has not come very clear, and I think Railway Minister would take cognizance of the matter and give thrust on this. At the same time, in the recent budget which was presented, there is no mention about the outlay which is being done on, especially on Mumbai railway network, Mumbai be it for MMRDA region also, and since Mumbai carries the maximum load of passengers, maximum load of people. I mean, those commuters who travel from one end to other, I mean, needs special requirement, special budget outlay needs to be there. And many projects which are there in the offing needs to be taken care of. Sir, freight earning and passenger earning, these are the main avenues for the railways as far as the revenue is concerned. And freight being one of the main indicators by which the health of the economy is also gauged. I mean, in recent times or for the last few years, freight earning has significantly gone down. I mean, may I know from the Railway Minister what measures are being taken to see that freight earning goes up? I mean, what are the measures Railway Ministry will take place in this regard? Sir, Kisan Rail, that which has been declared, is a really laudable thing that the ministry needs all accolades, and the Railway Minister too. Now, Kisan Rail, the rails which will be carrying Kisan produce, needs to have warehouses, godowns also along the lines with a special thrust to be given on cold storage, which needs to, if this kind of thing, because perishable goods will be carried, will be transported, and that needs this kind of facility also. Another thing is, I mean, for the freight, now Railway Ministry and Government of India is also contemplating, thinking on the lines to privatize some of its department. If privatization is to take place, then I think that freight earning capacity be increased by allotting that portion of that component of railway earnings to the private players. I think that will really have meaningful this thing. Apart from that solar energy where along the lines of the railway track which will be produced, I think that will be for the captive use. But if at all privatization is to take place, that should be given space wherever freight is concerned, where freight earning revenue, that department is concerned. With these words, I really thank you for giving me an opportunity to express my thoughts.
धन्यवाद.